What if you could turn long videos into viral clips and get paid for it? The future of content is here. With CreatorXchange, you can learn how to transform long-form content into attention-grabbing clips. You don't need to be a famous creator. You can clip content, publish it, grow your audience, and earn directly from campaigns featuring major creators and artists. Never edited before? No problem. Lots of clippers start with zero experience, and CreatorXchange provides education to help you learn what you need to succeed. You don't need to be an influencer or content creator either. You never have to show your face or even talk. You can stay completely anonymous. And yes, there's training. You'll be guided step by step, starting from square one, so you can learn how to get set up and start clipping. What's required? You don't need a big investment. If you have a phone and an internet connection, you can get started. So why just watch content when you can turn it into an opportunity? Join CreatorXchange, learn the skills, start clipping, and see where your creativity can take you.